Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this UBeesize GoPro selfie stick. It's an aluminum selfie stick with light, with a tripod, and it's compatible, of course, yes, with the GoPro and also with iPhones and Android smartphones. So this is what we get here. Comes in this box. I think it has a model name L03s. And we can see that here, some of the description here, so you can see how this works. So when you look at the listing, you see a lot of pictures, but everything is just with phone. And if you are wondering how it works with a GoPro, so stay tuned till the very end of the video, because I'm going to show you that at the end of the video. So we get the central unit, and the central unit is really small. That's the big thing. It is super small and super lightweight, and it still has a lot of functions. I mean, it's not a super size tripod or selfie stick, but it still has a decent size. I mean, we can open that to accommodate a normal smartphone. We have these flaps here, we can open that, and also the flap down. You can see it comes with some nice anti-slip brackets here. I mean, it's not huge, but I would say it fits for a normal standard phone easily. You can see that here. It holds really nicely here within these brackets. And on top we have the light, and here we have the remote control, and we can expand it to around 32 or 33 inches. That's pretty long. And the really nice thing, we have a very comfortable handle here. Some of the new selfie sticks, which also work as a tripod, they are very uncomfortable here, but here it's much better. We have a really nice handle, but we still can open that to all the sides, and then we have this normal tripod stand. So you can see that here works really good, has really nice solid stand. And we can close it again, and in this position we can also remove the remote control, as you can see. So we really have to open that to remove the remote control. By the way, it comes with some kind of cushion. We can just remove that. There's also a second place where we have some nice cushion here. That's to avoid that the light will turn on during transportation. We can remove that too. And the whole set comes with this micro USB charging cable. Yeah, the micro USB we can use here on the top to charge this light. And the light can be turned on with a long press. And then with a short press we can go through all the 6 different modes. That's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And then it goes back to the original version. So we have 3 different white settings, from cold white to warm light, and in each setting we have a bright and a low setting. And of course this also works when we have the phone here. So this is really nice. And there's a nice joint here which you can use to turn the phone or camera towards you, and then you have this really nice selfie stick, as you can see. And so this is the lowest height as a tripod. So you can see you can rotate this in both directions. It's just limited with the size of the phone. When the phone is too large, of course, then it would hit the tripod down here. Other than that, it's freely rotatable. But the camera mount itself cannot be rotated itself like 360 degrees like that. So you will have to turn around the whole tripod. But other than that, it's very flexible. And regarding the different lengths, you can see, so this is in the folded position, about 7.5 inches long, so very short, can easily be transported, not even 20 centimeters long. But when you fully expand it like that, from the handle till the very top or the end of the camera, it's around 83 centimeters or around 32.5 or almost 33 inches high or long. And now, of course, as promised, I can show you how to use that with the GoPro. We have this joint here, and we can remove this screw. So we can completely remove this from here and remove the phone holder, and then you can add the GoPro. So either it's the GoPro itself or the GoPro mount or GoPro holder. And what I highly recommend to use also this same screw here, because If you're using a longer one, I've already tried with this one here, it would definitely fit, but you will push out this cover here. But you can put it back after that, but I don't see the need to use another one. You can definitely use this screw here. And if you're worried about the remote control, that it's too complicated, I can tell you it's definitely not. We can long press until we see the blinking light here, and then we go into Bluetooth and pair new device. So here we have this selfie. Of course we have to confirm this here. And so now it's ready and we can go to the camera, and with a short press here we can release the shutter. You can see it has already made a picture. So let's try another one. Maybe you can see that better here. That's definitely a picture, very easy to do. So I would say UBeesize GoPro selfie stick, and selfie stick also for phones. Definitely very good implementation. It's beautiful, flexible, lightweight, has a lot of functions. It's hard to find anything to complain about. So I can definitely give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. By the way, it comes for a very attractive price. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.